Hey, it's Randy here with Cake Hair Salon, and we are going to be sharing a video with you today about how to easily curl your hair at home. This is a quick and easy way for you to take your hair from day into evening, or just how to curl your hair with some fun, messy, beachy waves to go out and rock when you're wearing it around your friends. Now, I'm also going to be joined by Nikki on this video, so I'm going to talk a little bit about how to change an iron that you have and make it easier for you to use, and then Nikki's going to show you how to use it, because she can use it on herself just like you will be at home. So what you want to do is you want to take your regular spring style iron like you have at home, and what you're going to do is you're going to take this portion and you're just going to pull it off. Underneath that, you'll notice that there are screws. If you unscrew that, if you just come in and unscrew, you can actually remove the whole tongue piece. And after you remove the tongue piece, you've turned your regular clamp style iron into a large wand. You can do this with any size. The very easiest one to use, the most versatile iron you could possibly use, is a 1-inch iron. So that is how to take off the tongue. Now you'll want to keep this. What we recommend is that you just put the screws in a bag so that they don't get lost, because you may want to put it back on one day for regular curling iron work. But that way, now we have all of these pieces removed, and we can just set them aside and use it like we would a wand style iron. So we already have a wand style iron heated up and ready for use, and Nikki's going to walk you through that.
Hey guys, I just want to show that we are using Sam Via's wand that actually goes from a curling iron to a wand, and we absolutely love it. It's one of our favorite new products right now, or stylers. What I'm going to also use right now is hot sets. Not many, most people use iron shape, and it's which has not as strong of a hold. I like to use hot sets because it is a stronger hold, and it lets me be able to keep these curls for more than one day. I actually can go probably 2 or 3 days and not really having to touch up much by using hot sets. I'm going to take off my glasses so that I can use the product. So what I normally do is I make sure that it gets through all of my hair. So I just kind of separate my hair and just I can kind of feel it. You can feel it in your hair. So if you notice there's a spot that you're like, I'm not sure, don't be afraid to spray it. Then what I like to do is I like to use my flat brush and just brush my hair to make sure that I got hot sets everywhere. Now why I love hot sets is that it's going to protect my hair from the heat up to 450 degrees, but it's also going to have my hair having some memory. So my hair is going to want to curl and stay curled in that curl that I have created. And it's going to help protect my color, because I do have color treated hair. So I want to make sure that I don't have my hair fading. So what I do normally is I take my hair and I normally put it in a clip, and I normally use three clips. The reason for that is because I need control, I need help, I don't have 10 arms. In the salon, when I'm working on a client, I don't use clips. So if you come in, or if you're with your stylist, feel free to ask them how they do it, or what's the best way for you to do it at home. Let's see here, so. So I like to make sure that there's a lot of variety in my hair. So I don't curl all my curls the same way. I make sure that they go different ways. I like to use a checkerboard pattern So that way, in my head, I know I'm not curling all of them the same way. And I'll take my wand and I'll heat up the hair. That helps decrease any creasing, any lines, makes the hair more movable. And then I just twist and I hold. I like to keep the ends, I don't like to have it super close to the ends. I like to have a little bit of straighter ends. And then I just kind of make sure that it curls in place. And then I let it sit there. I normally let my hair sit for 20 minutes. So that way the hair sets and the curls will last longer. So this last piece I curled away from my face. This piece I'm going to curl towards the face. And notice I use the wand, I hold it down, just because that is easier for me to hold my hair. So I'm just going to kind of do the sides so it'll be a little bit quicker for you. Now, if you want it just at your ends, feel free to have it move down a little, slide it down, and you can just get the ends of your hair. Now, feel free when you are doing this, if you want to all go all the same way, go the same way. If you want them to just be more sporadic and not have a pattern, do whatever works best for you. Now, when I go to the other side of my head, I'm a little ambidextrous, so I can use both of my arms. If that is too uncomfortable for you, feel free to, instead of holding it upside down, hold it right way. And you're just gonna be twirling it, or not right way, but upside down this way. Either way works. Don't feel like you have to do it exactly the way that I'm doing it. Alright, so since I just did this little portion, and like I said, I normally let it sit for 20 minutes. You can easily, after that, just finger comb your hair, and you have that loose beachy wave versus straight on this side. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, any questions, if you want to learn more, feel free to comment below, email us, subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.